Hello, my name is Johnny Fernando Yandun. I'm student at SENA. Uh, in this video, I'm going to tell about my mother. My mother, her name is Maria Villa. Uh, she is 56 years old. Uh, she is a wonderful and caring woman. Uh, she is from Ipiales, Nariño, in Colombia. She is a housewife. Hobbies. Uh, she loves to knit with wool. Uh, she makes sweaters, scarves, hats, and bags. Uh, Thanks for your time.